Now that I am sober, I take back what I said. I'm sitting with this love hangover.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Rachelama and this week I wanted to come at you guys with some vegan make ahead breakfast. Now these are perfect to make on a Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you have got breakfast sorted. There will be no panic in the morning because you already know what you're doing. Now I've got 3 different recipes to share with you guys. I love each and every single one of them. We're gonna start off with a vegan banana bread 2.0 because we're gonna add nut butter and a raspberry chia jam, which is just gonna take it to the next level. Then I also want to share with you guys a creamy chocolatey overnight oats, which is so indulgent. Like, imagine having that in the fridge ready to go before you go to work. Like, you are treating yourself by having it prepared. And a third recipe I want to share with you guys is vegan sweet potato waffles, which are just so nice. I can't wait to share these recipes with you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are excited for the vegan make ahead breakfast, or you just love the idea of any of the recipes I just mentioned, and subscribe to my channel because I am here every week with new videos. So let us get straight into these recipes. So the first recipe I want to share with you guys today is a take on vegan banana bread. Not just banana bread, we're going peanut butter jelly style banana bread. Now we're going to use oats as the flour, and we're going to use dates to sweeten it up, which means it's going to be light and gluten free. So let's get straight into the banana bread peanut butter jelly just deliciousness. So I'm going to start off by making my egg replacement out of flax seeds. So I'm mixing some flax seeds and some water, combining it together, and I'm going to let that sit while I prepare the rest. Now I'm using oat flour, so I'm just going to mill down my oats in a blender, and I'm going to heat up some dates in some warm water so that they mix really well. So I'm going to add the dates and some almond milk, a bit of apple cider vinegar, vanilla essence, 3 incredibly ripe bananas, mix that together, and that's going to be my wet mixture. So now I'm going to add my oat flour to the bowl, followed by a bunch of cinnamon, baking powder, as well as baking soda, and a pinch of pink salt. Then I'm just going to mix this all together for my dry ingredients. Now I'm going to add the wet to the dry and give it a really good mix, and this is going to be the base of my banana bread. So to make the chia jam, I'm starting off with 2 cups of berries and lots of raspberries in these berries. Then I'm adding half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and because I use frozen berries, I want to let them soften. Once they've softened, I'm just going to push them down so I get that type of jam-like consistency. Then I added 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, mixed it together, and just let that sit and let the chia seeds do what the chia seeds do, which makes this really tasty jam. Now to a baking tray, I've got some parchment paper that is compostable, and I'm going to add my mixture, just 1 layer first. Realized I had the wrong size tray, got another tray, no biggie. Then I added some chia jam in the middle with a bit more nut butter, and then I added the top layer of my banana bread. And then finally, a few bits of chia jam on the top. Then I put this in a preheated oven for an hour to an hour and 15 minutes until it cooked. And voila. Oh my days, that smells amazing. So good, I cannot wait. We're gonna let this sit and we're gonna let this cool down for a while until it's cool, really. Be patient, guys, be patient. Let it sit. So to finish, I added some more chia jam and some more nut butter and some maple syrup just to kind of glaze it to finish off this epic banana bread 2.0. Let's just try it. Let's just taste it. Happy Rachel. What's great about banana bread is that you can have it in the morning. Maybe you want to put some more peanut butter on it. Maybe you want to put some jam on it. Maybe you want to put it in the oven quickly just to warm it up and take it on the go. It's just, have it with a cup of tea, have it with a coffee. It's such a nice way to start the day, and it's such a nice way to make something on maybe a Sunday and then have it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, the dates really sweeten it up, and they add that moisture that a lot of vegan cakes don't have. Sometimes they're too dry. This is not a dry cake. This is a moist, yummy banana bread. The berries add a tiny bit of bitter but sweetness to it. The chia seeds and the flax seeds really help to keep it nice and light. Oh, such a simple, easy banana bread recipe using oats. Oh, glorious, honey. So my next make-ahead breakfast is gonna be overnight oats in a jar. Because they are essential, but they're not gonna be boring overnight oats. They're gonna be the kind of overnight oats that I like, which are chocolatey, creamy, chia seedy, just delicious overnight oats. So let us continue and get into the recipe. So to make my overnight oats, I've got half a cup of oats, followed by a cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, maple syrup, cinnamon, and some raw cacao. And I'm gonna mix that together. Now to make it kind of creamier, I'm gonna add some vegan cream, mix it in, added a bit more chocolate, and then I'm gonna leave this to sit aside. So now that it's had time to sit, it's turned into this really rich, creamy, a little bit chocolatey, pinches of cinnamon, a bit of sweetness overnight oats. I just love the texture, especially the way that the chia seeds, they just expand and it's just smooth and just, I just love it. So now it's time to decorate. So we're gonna do whatever you have in the fridge, whatever your favorite fruits are, granola, cream, let's get into it, let's decorate it up. Now I'm gonna add some of my leftover chia jam, which is so versatile and so tasty. Then I'm gonna add some homemade granola, and then I got this Oatly creme fraiche someone sent me, and it is wonderful. So I added that on top, followed by some granola, fresh strawberries, some cacao nibs, and some pumpkin seeds. And voila, there it is. This is the jackpot of heavens. Lovely. Oh, that's absolutely glorious, honey. You've got your chocolatey, creamy overnight oats. You've got your chia kind of jam, which is nice and sweet and bitter at the same time. Crunchy granola, some more cream on top, some fresh strawberries. Oh, this is luxury. This is luxury breakfast living to the fullest. You can add more chocolate. It just goes for your preference, whatever you feel is best for your chocolate fix. Imagine popping this open on your way to work and munching on this. Oh my days. The kind of breakfast you think, I wish I had someone make that for me. Well guys, you can make this ahead, keep it in the fridge and eat it in the week. So the next recipe I'm gonna share with you guys is sweet potato waffles. I started off by peeling a sweet potato, slicing it into small pieces so that I could steam it really, really quickly. Added it to my pot and let it cook down. Prepared my almond milk and got my flour to make my dry ingredients with baking powder and baking soda and a pinch of salt, some coriander, some cumin, and some smoked paprika, and mixed it together. Then I wanted to make my egg replacement, so I used chickpeas and water. Mixed it together and just let that sit aside. Then I checked on my sweet potatoes, which were nice and soft and ready to mix into a paste. For some reason I lost the footage, but all I did was mix all my wet that I showed you and all my dry that I showed you together to make one mixture. But I will put the full recipe down below for you guys so it makes a little bit more sense. So then I got my waffle iron. I added some coconut oil so I could get that kind of crispy outer layer on the sweet potato waffles. Then I added some mixture, popped the lid on, let that sit and let that cook. Now while I did that, I felt like being fancy. So I cooked up some cherry tomatoes and prepared a cashew creamy cheese. So I've got cashew nuts, water, apple cider vinegar and pink salt, and just mix it all together. Then I added some chives and some black pepper, and this was a really easy, quick and easy. So I've got my sweet potatoes, I've got my wilted spinach, cherry tomatoes, avocado, cashew cream, coriander, spring onions, chives, radish, coriander, and some chili flakes, and voila, epicness. Now it doesn't have to be fancy, so you can literally just toast your sweet potato waffles and put anything you want on top. Here I put on that cashew cheese I had, and it was so tasty. Really, really easy, really, really simple. So my camera died, so I've already been munching on this, and this is so good. Oh, delicious, delicious. And when you make it ahead, you can toast it the next day and it comes out really nice because the inside stays soft and the outside is a bit more crunchy. So you can put on like a vegan cream cheese, a nut butter, anything you want. And it's kind of like sweet potato toast waffles to go. And it's honestly so tasty. My mouth is so happy. The taste buds are just very happy. Let me just go devour this. I'll be back in a second. Just wanna get my face all in that real nice and quickly. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed all of these recipes. I love them, so I really hope you guys enjoy them. I am gonna list the full ingredients on my website so you guys can try them. And if you do, please let me know on Instagram if you've tried them. I love to see you guys' creations, whether you switch it up a little bit or you keep it the same. I love to see it. Let me know which is your favorite recipe in the comments down below, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed at least one of these recipes. Every thumbs up counts, so if you did like them, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because I'm here every week with new videos. Every Sunday you will find me here with new content, new recipes and new videos. So I will see you guys next week. Bye.
You've been on my mind for a while now, trying to get you off cause this ain't right now.